Shanghai. We are off, and it's not just any ordinary day. It's Eve.
New Year's Eve.
Yes, we're going to sample more lovely street food. Yum, yum, yummers. And our quest to be plastic free continues. We will not be purchasing street food that is wrapped or added into plastic. So that's why we love street food, because in all honesty none of it is. It's either on a stick or in a little paper bowl or a paper bag. So bring on the street food. So we just came out of the tube, and this is what we came out to. There's so much dancing here. We see people in the park just dancing, and it's just incredible. Look at this dancing. So we've sort of ended up in this kind of, what's like, sort of ended up in the flow of all of these people. But there's loads of umbrellas. I'm not sure what it is, but it's got a number on it. And it also has numbers and amounts. So these cool girls wanted to take pictures with all of us.
No. China #1.
Apparently it's matchmaking. I think so. Hello. Oh, okay, it's all going a bit nuts now. Oh, wow, it's beautiful.
China #1.
So that's a Casio piano on the bins. This guy's like just playing, loving it. People are standing around. This is People's Park on a Sunday, and it's just exactly what it says it is. Awesome space where people just gather. How cool is this? Don't you just love this? So it would appear that Sunday is everyone out day, which it has been in most places we've been to actually. But it's a very nice atmosphere here. There's a lot of people gathered together. You saw the dancing in the park, and just the general gathering of communities and families and friends. I really like that about all the places that we've been to actually. It seems to be quite a strong Asian culture. So this is the main area for the best street food. So we're hoping to pick up some yummy delights soon, because we're all starving. This is the yogurt that's sold. So Paul's going to try it. It's everywhere, this yogurt. Everywhere around here is this yogurt. And everyone's drinking it, and it's just sold everywhere. So we felt we had to taste it. It's so good. We might have to get another one. Another successful tasting by the Simpson family. So Paul's in the queue. He was all the way back there. But apparently the best dumplings in Shanghai. So this is a dumpling. It's a well-known dumpling in Shanghai. It's a dumpling that has soup in the middle.
And vinegar.
Crab soup. Put a little bit of vinegar on the top.
Vinegar.
Ruby's going to be the first one to try it. Try it, Rube. And you suck the soup through a straw.
I don't know.
Is it nice?
It's like
You gonna try it?
fishy.
Yeah, it's a crab soup.
Yeah.
Try it.
Definitely.
I like it. Try a little bit.
At first you can't taste it. You just feel like water, and it's like raw. Something like you don't know what's there. Then there's like bits. I like it. It's nice.
Steamed buns
Same famous wonton.
with crab and pork.
Crab and pork.
Very tasty there. I'm gonna try it too. I'm gonna try one of these.
This is from this famous place that people queue up.
In my pocket. The phone in my pocket.
They queue up for hours. Every time I stop to take a picture of the girls, this is what happens. I just wanted a picture of the girls having their food outside this shop, and it's basically turned into a photo opportunity for a few people. No. Look.
Thanks for watching. We hope you like our video. Don't forget to click on like below. Subscribe to the TaawkTV channel below.